2023 Volvo XC60 specs and recharge hybrid update. The Swedish company is not going to update the 2023 Volvo XC60, since the latest version introduced a lot of novelties. The focus is currently on electrification. But, don't get tricked, the XC60 recharge is not an EV. Previously, we knew this configuration as the T8. Nevertheless, in the future, the mid-size luxury SUV is getting an electric battery as the main source of power. Meanwhile, T5, T6, and T8 recharge are there. The company keeps the same trim levels as well. Momentum, R-Design, Inscription, and Polestar are the lineup. With the recharge engine, you can find Inscription expression equipment, but it is actually the Momentum package. The list of pros is long. The 2023 Volvo XC60 is going to be very attractive, outside and inside. However, it seems like the interior is what makes buyers so impressed with the SUV. Plus, the second row is very spacious, although the model belongs to the compact segment. Safety is on the highest level, but we got used to it with this car maker. There is room for improvement as well. For example, the ride quality is not so impressive. A heavily loaded interior could be a bit complicated to use, with too many buttons and functions. Volvo should do it way simpler. Finally, the price is higher compared to rivals, but don't expect a discount on the Swedish SUV. T5, T6, T8, recharge plug-in hybrid. Under the hood of the 2023 XC60 is a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine. In its base form, the system comes with turbocharges and delivers 250 HP and 258 lb-ft of torque. The compact crossover is pretty mighty. The front-wheel drive can be replaced with all-wheel drive. You won't feel the difference in the gas mileage, but the traction is way better. Also, you will find an AWD very helpful if you intend to ride the XC60 off the road. The 2023 Volvo XC60 T6 exploits the same engine. But, superchargers make it produce even more power and torque, 315 HP and 295 lb-ft. Here, all-wheel drive is standard. The transmission in all setups is an 8-speed automatic. The T6 returns 23 mpg combined. It takes nearly 7 seconds to sprint 0 to 60 miles per hour. The max speed is limited to 112 miles per hour. The 2023 Volvo XC60 T8 Recharge is the plug-in hybrid configuration, with an ability to drive using an electric battery only. In the current edition, the range is 18 miles, but we expect an extension in the future. The best is yet to come with a fully electric Volvo XC60. Momentum, R-Design, Inscription. Besides the wide choice of engines, there are 4 trim levels for the luxury crossover. The list of features is very long, even on the base version called Momentum. Highlights of this package are 18-inch wheels, adaptive LED lights, sunroof, hands-free tailgate. Buyers also love XC60 because of its interior. Even the Momentum is using leather upholstery and the center of the infotainment system is a 9-inch touchscreen. You can upgrade the offer with an advanced driving aid bundle, which also improves safety. Pieces of this lot are forward collision mitigation, BLIS, lane keep and lane departure alert, as well as the automatic brake. There are also 3 additional packages available for the upgrade: Premium, Advanced, and Climate. The 2023 Volvo XC60 R-Design should be one of the favorites again among fans, mostly because of its sporty appearance. You will get special 19-inch wheels, black accents, ambiental lighting inside, a 4-zone climate, and the premium Harman Kardon audio. Optional upgrades are 20 and 21-inch wheels, air suspension for a sportier drive, and B&W 15-speaker sound system. Some of those are already included with the Inscription package. Chrome details are easy to spot on the exterior, front seats are ventilated, and premium leather is making the interior more comfortable. The Polestar is top of the range trim. Advanced package is included. Plus, the crossover gets 21-inch performance wheels, unique suspension, Brembo brakes, special paint jobs and details, while the B&O audio becomes standard. 2023 Volvo XC60 prices and competition. The base price of the 2023 Volvo XC60 is above the class average. You can buy a premium crossover and save, but to get at the same level with the Swedish model, you will need a lot of upgrades. Even then, it is not easy to keep up with Volvo. The base MSRP starts at $42,000. At this price, you can consider a midsize SUV with a lot of upgrades. Acura MDX and Infiniti QX60 won't cost too much more. The R-Design package will push the price very close to $50,000 and inscription is over this mark. The T8 Recharge is around $55,000 and with the Polestar package, the MSRP jumps to $70,000.